Abby, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like an Ulta haul slash first impressions on some of the products that I got. So I watched Roxette Risa on YouTube here, and she did a collaboration with Ulta where if you spent like $75 in products, you could get this little goodie bag for free. And so I'll show you what it looks like. This is the bag you get when you use the link in her video, and it comes with a bunch of hair stuff, it comes with a face mask, and then some makeup products as well. So I'm just going to be showing you everything that came in here and testing the products out, as well as the products that I purchased and picked out myself. So if you want to see how I created this look, you can just keep watching, and don't forget to give this video a like if you did enjoy it, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I just wanted to start out by showing you everything that I got. So I'll start with what's in the bag that I got. So here's everything that came in the bag. So if you bought like a certain amount of products, then you got this for free. So this is what it looks like. So I'll just quickly go through everything that it came in. So it came with like hair stuff and everything and makeup. So the first thing is this Triple Sec 3-in-1 dry bar. It looks like that. It's just a little sample size of dry shampoo, so I'm really excited to try that out. Then there's this AG Hair Care Firewall. So this is just supposed to be like a heat protectant, and I actually used this today before I curled my hair, and it smells amazing, so I'm really liking this. Next is the Pravana Hyrda Pearl Replenishing Hair Oil. So this is a full size. This is amazing. Also smells really good. And I also used this yesterday and today as well, just because I wasn't doing my hair on camera. So I went ahead and used it, and it's really nice and just makes your hair super silky and smooth and smells amazing. So loving that. The last hair product is this Redkin Frizz Dismiss. So just to kind of help with controlling frizz and stuff. So I also tried this out yesterday. I just had my hair up, but it was like a little frizzy, so I just sprayed some of that on. It's really nice. Smells amazing as well. So those are the only things that I've used so far. Next is this Water-infused Brightening Gel Mask. Looks like this. I was going to do it on camera, but it has to sit for like 30 minutes, and I'm kind of in a rush today. So I'm going to try it out, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. So next, there is this Dermablend Translucent Setting Powder, and I've been wanting to try this out for a while, so I'm really excited for this. And I just ran out of my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I've been like trying to get some out for like the past week or so, so I've been in desperate need of one, so I'm really happy about that. So I'm excited to try that out. And this next product I'm so excited for is the Dose of Colors, let's see, Desert Suede Liquid Matte Lipstick. I have been wanting to try Dose of Colors lip products for like really badly for a while, so I'm so excited to try this out. The next thing is this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt face sculpting palette. So it looks like this. It has like a contour, a highlight, kind of like two highlights. One's shimmery, one's matte. So this is huge. So I'm really excited to try this out. Next is this Japanese powder brush. I've never tried any Japanese brushes, so I'm really excited to try this out. It looks really nice. Then we have the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator, and I'm really excited to try this out. I have one other Laura Geller product highlighter. It was actually my first ever highlighter, so I'm really excited to try this out. Then there is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer samples, but I already know my shade and everything, so I'm not going to really be using this, but it's still cool. And the last thing, it's actually I guess a hair product too, but it is the Organic Coconut Hot Oil Hair Mask. So it's supposed to help with stronger, thicker, lustrous hair, and it has biotin and hair superfoods. So that's what it looks like, and I can't wait to try this out because I've been getting really into like doing hair masks like once a week, so I'm excited to see how this works. So that's everything in the bag. So then I'll just quickly show you the products that I purchased to get the bag. So first thing, I just repurchased another NYX retractable nude liner. This was in my favorites video for the year 2017, and so I love this one, and I had just run out, so I went ahead and got another one. And then I got the Nars blush in the inappropriate name Orgasm, but I have been wanting to try this blush out for so long, and I'm just so excited for it. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to use this in our look today. And then next thing I've got is another product that I've been wanting to try out for a long time that everybody has been using forever, but I'm just late on the game, and it is the Hoola bronzer. And I just got the little sample size just because I feel like bronzers last so long that I didn't need a huge size, and it'll just be nice for like traveling and stuff. So I went ahead and got that. I'm so excited. The next thing I got is a MAC lip pencil, and I got it in the shade Hoover. So I think this will go with the Dose of Colors lip product, so hopefully those will work out together. So I'm really excited for that. Okay, the last thing I got is the Benefit Pore-fessionals Pearl primer. So I've used the regular Professionals primer before, and I really like that one, and I love a radiant finish, so this is supposed to be more radiant, so I'm really excited to try this, and I've heard really good things so far. Okay, so that is everything that I got, so we'll go ahead and get into the makeup. And as you can tell, I already did my eyes just because I don't have any eye products to try out. Everything's just kind of for face and lips and stuff. So I'm gonna, of course, prime with the Pore-fessionals Pearl primer. Okay, just nodding that on. Feels so nice. Oh my goodness. And it smells really good like the other Pore-fessionals primer. Oh, this feels so smooth. I love it. So next I'll just go ahead and do my foundation real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I have my foundation on, and I had to let my battery charge for a while, so if the lighting has changed, that's why, because I took a little bit of a break. But I'm just going to go ahead and do my concealer now. So not using anything new for this. I'm just going to be first going in with my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. This stuff is really nice. Just helps cancel out any dark circles, and yeah, it's just really nice and for brightening the under eye. Just pat that on. And I just like doing it with my finger just because of the consistency. It's a little bit like of a thicker consistency, so I just feel like it goes on really nice with your finger. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's my favorite concealer ever. And just applying that underneath my eyes, forehead, down the center of my nose, on my nose, and on my chin. Then just taking my e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm just going to be blending that out. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder and setting underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to be taking my Tarte brush, the small end, getting a little bit of that, and sweeping it under my eyes. And a little bit down the center of my face where I tend to get more oily. Next, I'm just going to be taking the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt, and I'm just going to be taking this contour color on my Morphe brush that looks like this. I love this one for contouring. And I'm just going to be contouring my cheeks. Let's just throw my brush. Okay, so far so good. I really like the tone of this, like the undertone. That's really beautiful. I do usually have like a bit of a hard time with contours, just like my cheek just, I think the way my cheek is just doesn't allow contours to go on evenly, like super easy for me, so I really have to spend time like blending it and making sure it looks as even as I can get it. So I just kind of follow that natural line, and I just like to blend up. So now to bronze the face, I'm going to be taking the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. So excited. This is what it looks like. It's just a really pretty color. So I'm going to be taking my favorite brush for bronzer, and it is also Morphe from the same set. So I'm going to be getting some of that on. And using that right above it. Oof, that's pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm loving that. And for blush, I don't have anything new to try out. So I'm just going to be taking my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso because it's my favorite. And I'm just using a Real Techniques brush. Looks like this. It's my favorite for blush. Getting some of that. And just starting it on the apples of my cheeks. Kind of bringing it back. And then highlighter, we're going to be trying the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Let's take it out of the box. Oh my gosh, I did have a new blush. No! I can't believe I forgot that. Okay, well we're going to do a little bit of this blush too. The Nars blush. Oh my goodness, how did I not remember that? Okay, we're going to be taking some of that because I have to try this out. Ooh, that's so pretty. I can't wait to try it again without this other blush, just so I can get like even a better idea of what it looks like by itself. I'm so sad I forgot that. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're going to be taking this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Holy cow. Let me see if I can swatch this for you. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to be taking my Morphe highlighting brush as well. Same set. It looks like a huge blending brush, but I love this for highlighter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. And then I'm also going to be using this for my inner corner highlight. Oh, that is so pretty. So real quick, I'm just going to finish doing the shadow on my lower lash line. So I was just using my Naked 3 palette and the Modern Renaissance palette for my makeup today. So I'm just going to take Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette. And then just doing some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my translucent setting powder. I'm just going to put some in the lid. And grabbing my beauty blender, I'm just going to put some under to kind of bake under my contour, just to kind of clean it up a bit. And while that's sitting, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. So I'm just going to make sure that these colors are going to work well with each other. So I'll go ahead and show you the lip pencil. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'll do a little swatch. It's kind of like a, almost like a burnt orange color. Really pretty. I'll go ahead and get the lip color. So excited for this. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, this packaging is so pretty. Let's do a little. That is an awesome color. I'm excited for this. I don't have anything like this color, so hopefully it looks good. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I didn't use the brush yet, so I'm going to use the brush to... I'm doing really bad at this. Okay. I'm going to use the brush to brush away my bake. This feels really nice. That is so soft. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to use this to kind of blend too. I think this would make like a nice blush brush maybe. I don't know. It's maybe too not dense enough. I don't know. I'm going to try it for blush though because it's really nice. But it also makes a really nice blush for brushing away your powder. Maybe like doing a little bit underneath. That's so, so nice. Okay. Time for the lips. So I'm just going to line my lips. And to try this color out. I'm so excited and nervous. Hopefully it looks good. That feels so nice. This color is like a little bit outside my comfort zone, but I kind of like it. It feels so nice. Oh my goodness. That is the nicest matte liquid lipstick I've ever tried, I have to tell you. I want to get more colors now because this is insane. And the packaging is just so pretty. I absolutely love it. Alright, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful and just fun to watch. I really liked all the products that I tried out. This lip color is really amazing and I've never tried out a formulation so good. So I'm absolutely loving it. And just everything turned out really nice. I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll have all my links down below. Don't forget to follow my blog, livewithabbie.com. I'm going to be doing a review for my next blog post. So make sure to check that out. And I think that is everything. I hope you guys have a great day. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.